Hello designer. Welcome to another exciting tutorial of Figma design. I am a big fan of Elon Musk's SpaceX. And in this tutorial I will show you how to design this beautiful landing page design prototype for the SpaceX website. Let's get started. Select a frame of MacBook Pro size. Add a full-size rectangle over it. I have downloaded the Mars background image from unsplash.com and placed it over the rectangle. The link has been mentioned in the description. Such a beautiful picture of Mars here. Click on rectangle and crop the image and zoom it out a little bit to fit for this project. The background is really bright here. We need to darken it a little bit on the side by overlaying it so that when we add the logo and pictures, it should be visible clearly. Select the rectangle in which the image is added and fill the color with linear background, adding as black color. This way our navigation menu will be visible clearly. Similarly, you have to do it on the other side too, because we are adding the SpaceX logo here and it should be visible to us very clearly. Now to add the navigation menu, select the required size and fonts and add it over the top of the design. Duplicate and add the required text here. To add the astronaut image, you can download any image from unsplash.com and remove the background of it. This can be done on any online websites or if you have any tools to remove the background. We are using remove.bg website to remove the background from astronaut image and adding it on our frame. Now, if you zoom in on astronaut, you can see this green layer here which is not matching with our background. To avoid this, we can add an ellipse here, change the shape with a little bit of adjustment and give it a similar color. To get the more realistic effect, add a background blur. Next, we need to add the SpaceX logo. You can download the SVG file of SpaceX logo online and add it here. Change the size and background color to fit in. Now add a button for an action call to book a trip to space, which will soon be a reality. And that's it, our design is now ready to roll. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you all next time.